Look, this is my farm. Today, I want to show you 5 farm animals.
Do you know farm animal? After this lesson, you will be able to name 5 kinds farm animals. Let's begin. Exercise 1. The name of farm animals.
Do you know what are the name of these farm animals? Listen and repeat after your teacher. This is cow. This is horse. This is goat. This is sheep. And this is chicken. Let's try.
Exercise 2. Do you have? Wow, they are so wonderful. So kids, is there any farm animals do you have?
Do you have a sheep?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a horse?
No, I don't.
Do you have a chicken?
Yes, I do. Exercise 3. Sing a song.
Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. The cow on the farm say moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo. The cow on the farm say moo all day long. The horse on the farm say nee nee nee, nee nee nee, nee nee nee. The horse on the farm say nee all day long. The chicken on the farm say tock tock tock, tock tock tock, tock tock tock. The chicken on the farm say tock 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 all day long. The goat on the farm say meh meh meh, meh meh meh, meh meh meh. The goat on the farm say meh all day long.